Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to do bank reconciliation in Zoho Books. This process ensures your financial records match your actual bank statements, helping you catch errors and maintain accurate books for your business. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, log in to your Zoho Books account using your username and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your business account to access all your financial data. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various options for managing your finances. Look for the option labeled Banking and click on it. This will take you to your bank account's dashboard where you can see all the accounts you've connected to Zoho Books. From this dashboard, select the specific bank account you want to reconcile. Once you've selected your bank account, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon which represents settings for that account. Click on this icon and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Reconcile Account. This is the starting point for matching your records with your bank statement. You'll now be directed to the bank reconciliation page. Zoho Books provides a helpful guide explaining how to properly reconcile your bank account statements. So take a moment to read through it if you're new to the process. When you're ready to proceed, click on Reconcile Now. Before you can start the actual reconciliation, you'll be prompted to enter some key information. First, input the start date and end date for the period you want to reconcile. This typically matches the statement period from your bank. Next, enter the closing balance, which is the ending balance shown on your bank statement for that period. Once you've filled in these details, click on Start Reconciliation. Now comes the matching process. You'll see a complete list of all your bank transactions for the selected period, including both incoming and outgoing amounts, along with their details. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a field showing the difference between your records and your bank statement. Your goal here is to get this difference to 0. Work through the list on the right side of your screen and match each transaction you have with this account to the corresponding entry in your bank statement. As you match transactions, the difference will decrease. Once you've successfully matched everything and the difference shows 0, click on Reconcile at the bottom of the page to complete the process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.